Do you need some help with your decoration? Pinterest is already full of inspiring images, but do you know exactly how to use all these pictures to achieve a cohesive and balanced decor in your house? Hello and welcome to another Aditum Studio video. If you are new in this channel, we are a virtual interior design studio where we decor any kind of space just using 3D rendering methods. In today's video, I will tell you how to transform a plain white bedroom into 4 completely different environments, just being inspired by one single image and without any knowledge about interior design in case you don't have. So let's be extra lazy and instead doing our own mood board, let's go to Pinterest and type decor mood board for instance. I picked these 4 completely different mood boards with the color palette already on it, and this will be our source of inspiration. And the trick here is to make in mind the percentage of colors that you are going to be using. In case you don't have too much experience into decorating, I will suggest you use more percentage in light colors and less percentage in dark colors. These numbers are not exact obviously, but you will have to keep them in mind in the global vision of the decoration. And now let's put this into practice with the first example. And in this one we already have the 4 main colors selected. In the case you find another picture that you love but you don't have these colors selected, at the end of the video I will explain you how to do it super easily. But continue with this one, we are going to use most of the light color to paint the accent wall and to use it on the fabrics. The idea is to spread the main colors through all the space, trying to be rhythmic, not putting the colors totally separate. So try to mix them, play with them, but at the same time keep in mind all the time the amount of colors that you are applying. I will use more or less 25% of the green color by adding natural plants, same as in the original mood board. 50% of the yellow in very few details like the mirror and the pots, and the brown in the wardrobe and the drawers by using these IKEA leather door knots. And this is the result, not far from the image that inspired us at the beginning. The second mood board will be radically different, not exactly suitable for everyone because it's full of intense and really deep purples. But let's just keep it as an example to see how much this room may change. So this is the percentage of colors that I feel like using, but of course for you may be totally different. I will use this light purple on one of the walls, on the bedside tables, and on the pillows. I also wanted to add this flower somehow and I found this wallpaper. I will add the link below this video in case you would like to check it out. I painted the bed in green and of course add some greenery. The gold touches will be present in the lamps, the mirror, the carpentry detail, and on the door knots plus the legs of the drawer. And this is the final result. This third mood board is my favorite. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section down below. I personally like it because of the color palette. It's perfect for a relaxing and calm bedroom. So continue with the same technique. Let's disperse these 4 main colors across the whole space. To add some crispiness, try to play with the contrast by using, for instance, different textures. In the example, I did it with the decorative pillow, the black door knots, and the painting above the bed. For the last mood board, the color palette is very warm and joyful. In this case, I put wooden furniture, add some color in the pillows, and put some round door knots. To make the furniture a bit different, I put marble surface on the bedside table and on the drawers. At this point, the whole decor was looking a bit plain, so I placed this colorful art wall and this daring wallpaper. And in the case you like some colors of a specific pictures, to select them to be able to use, an easy way to do it is using Microsoft Paint or something similar. Use this tool to select the color and paste them apart. Now you are ready to experiment with your own personal decoration. Hope you like this video, subscribe for more content, and I will see you next time. Bye!